Okay guys, so what we're gonna do is we got some bottles of paint and we got some picture frames. So I'm gonna let the little ones make a nice little artwork of sprayed paint colors for Mother's Day. What do you like about Mom?
I like about some love.
You like about some love because Mom loves you?
Yeah.
She buys you toys and make videos with you?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's show some appreciation by making her a cute little picture frame art that you guys are gonna spray paint, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah.
So we got 4 different colors in spray bottles and Lola's gonna stand up.
Purple.
She's gonna stand up and spray paint. Lola, you might want to get up a little higher. Spray your color. Wow. Oh, it's like a video game. You guys having fun?
Oh.
Lola, look at me. You got paint all over yourself? As you can see, it's a little messy, but they sure are having a great time and they're making a cool, personalized Mother's Day gift. So this is all worth it.
I'm almost done yet. Okay. I'm just gonna sit down because I'm gonna relax.
Mateo, not at the walls, at the frames.
Wow. Uh-oh. This is broken.
Moments later.
Wow, Lola, that one looks good. I think you got enough orange in there. Let me see Mateo's. Ooh, not bad. That's so cool. Lola, that's good. It's pretty. Wow, Mateo, look at yours. Ooh.
This is the final project. We added some Mother's Day, Mom, we love you, Mother's Day, and the kids decorated. But didn't it come out awesome, these frames? Right? Did you guys have...
Bye guys! Thank you for watching our video. Please like, subscribe, and give a thumbs up. And click the bell button. See you later. Bye! Happy Mother's Day. I love you, Mom. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna paint 4 Valentines for my mom.
Lola, it's
It's
Mother's Day.
What?